Welcome. In this video, we will show how to upgrade the OpenPages installer. We will discuss what is included in installer updates, how to upgrade the installation server, and how to upgrade installation agents. When new OpenPages interim fixes and fix packs are released, they may include an update to the OpenPages installer. These installer updates not only allow you to install the latest OpenPages fix pack, but they also include bug fixes and improvements to other installation tasks, such as fresh install. Therefore, it is recommended that you always upgrade your installer to the latest available version that is applicable to your OpenPages version, even if you are not ready to install the latest OpenPages fix pack. For example, if you use OpenPages 7.4 or 8.0, then you should upgrade your installer to the latest 8.0 version. We'll now show how to upgrade the installation server. In the FixPack media, you will usually find two zip files related to the OpenPages installer. In this example, the zip labeled OpenPages installer contains the installer update, while the zip labeled OpenPages FixPack contains the OpenPages FixPack content. In this video, we'll only focus on the installer zip. We start by copying the installer zip to our installation server directory. Under the folder Source, Assets, Maintenance. Between copying the zip and applying the update, the installation app will show a banner at the top of the deployment page showing that an update is available. You may continue using the installation app while this banner is present, and you should make sure that all currently running installs are completed before applying the installer update. Once you are ready to apply the update, you must stop the installation server. Make sure that the user who performs these steps is the same user that originally installed the installation server, or is at least one who has full permissions on the installer files and is able to run Node.js. Once the server is stopped, open a command prompt or shell window and navigate to the installer directory. Then run the command npm run upgrade. When running this command, the installer will detect the installer update that was copied into the maintenance folder and will execute steps to update itself. Once it finishes, you should see a message stating that the upgrade was successful. Another possibility is that you may see a message that says there was no upgrade found. This just means that the current installer version is the same or higher than the latest version found in the maintenance folder. Depending on your current installer version and the version you are upgrading to, you may be required to run certain extra steps to complete your upgrade. For example, when upgrading from a 7.4 version of the installer to an 8.0 version, you are required to copy and run an extra script called patch 7.4 to complete the upgrade. Depending on the contents of the installer update, the console window where you ran the upgrade could also instruct you to run an extra script to upgrade Node.js. So make sure you follow all instructions in the product documentation and the console window to make sure you fully complete your installer upgrade. Once you finish running all of the required steps to upgrade your installation server, you can start the installation server. Now I'll log in, and here I'll select an existing deployment. But notice I can still create new deployments and perform fresh installs of 7.4. Once inside any deployment, if you select the About menu item, then you will see that your installation server has been upgraded to the new version. The next step is to upgrade your installation agents. Similar to how the installation server can automatically install all of the agents in a deployment, it can also upgrade all of the agents to the current version. The deployment I am showing here is one where OpenPages 7.4 was installed, and all of the agents in the deployment are at the 7.4 installer version. To upgrade these agents, all I need to do is click the Validate button. Once I click Validate, the install server detects that the agents are at a lower version than the server, and it will automatically push the installer update and run all steps required to upgrade them. Then it will run validation on the deployment. In new deployments, where there are no agents currently installed, the install server will first push the starting agent version, and then will upgrade the new agents to the current version. This concludes our video. In this video, we have discussed what is included in an installer update and shown how to upgrade the installation server and agents. We hope you found this video helpful, and we invite you to follow along with some of our other videos.